let me ask you something. How many content ideas do you have sitting in your notes right now? Scripts, concepts, maybe even full written posts that never became videos simply because editing takes too much time? Because honestly, that's where a lot of ideas die. Not because the idea is bad, but because turning text into video is a whole process. And this tool is trying to fix exactly that. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm checking out a tool called Rizzle, an AI-powered video creation platform that takes written content and turns it into actual videos. But what caught my attention is this. They're not positioning this as just another AI video generator. Their whole thing is combining AI with human video creation, which already makes this feel a little different from the usual tools we see. So let's break it down. So at its core, Rizzle helps turn written content into videos. That could be articles, blog posts, scripts, informational content, basically anything text-based that you want to transform into something visual. Instead of doing the normal workflow, finding stock footage, matching scenes manually, recording voiceovers, editing transitions, arranging everything on a timeline, Rizzle tries to automate a lot of that process. And according to their site, the goal is speed without losing quality. That AI plus human hybrid approach is probably their biggest differentiator. Because let's be honest, pure AI generated videos can sometimes look kind of weird. For creators, the biggest bottleneck usually isn't creativity, it's execution. Coming up with ideas, easy. Writing the script, fine. Actually turning it into a polished video, that's where the time disappears, especially if you're posting consistently, because every single video means editing, visual sourcing, audio, pacing, formatting for different platforms. And suddenly one simple idea becomes hours of work. That's where tools like this become interesting, because instead of starting from zero, you're starting from content you already have. Based on what Rizzle shows, the workflow seems pretty straightforward. You provide your written content, the platform analyzes it, builds a structure around it, pairs it with visuals, adds production elements, and turns that into a finished video draft. Another interesting thing is they mention licensed media assets, which is actually a big plus, because sourcing visuals yourself can be incredibly annoying, especially if you care about usage rights. And from the way the site presents it, this feels less like random AI generation and more like a managed production workflow. A few standout features: text to video generation. This is obviously the main attraction. If your content already exists in written form, turning it into video becomes much faster. AI plus human moderation. This is probably the most interesting part, because instead of relying entirely on AI output, there's human oversight involved, which should help with polish and consistency. Licensed visuals and media, huge quality of life feature, no manually hunting for assets, multi-platform publishing. This is another difference. A lot of tools stop at video creation. Rizzle also focuses on distribution. So it's not just making content, it's preparing content for publishing workflows too. Brand safe / moderated workflow, especially useful if consistency matters. Now, from a creator perspective, I don't think this replaces custom editing. If your content style relies heavily on storytelling, meme pacing, cinematic editing, or really personalized visuals, you'll probably still want manual control. But if your goal is speed, especially for informational content, educational content, article-based content, or repurposing existing ideas, this makes way more sense. Because not every video needs a full editing marathon. Sometimes you just need efficient output. I'd say this makes the most sense for creators repurposing written content, faceless educational channels, teams producing informational videos, brands converting blog content into visual content, or honestly, anyone who has ideas but not unlimited editing time. So yeah, that's Rizzle. Definitely a different kind of AI video platform compared to the usual one-click generators. If you want to check it out, links below. And I'm curious, would you actually use something like this, or do you still prefer full manual editing? Drop a comment and I'll see you in the next one.